today we are going to do yet another curry dish from Andhra, that is curry leaves chicken curry. So let's get started. To begin with the curry, first we'll make curry leaves paste. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas. Add oil. The oil is starting to heat up. First we'll add cashew nuts, then coriander seeds. We'll saute it for a few minutes till the color starts changing. As the color starts to change, I'll add in some curry leaves. And with the curry leaves, I'll also add in chopped coriander and green chilies. After cooking it for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to switch off the gas. By the time a curry leaf mixture cools down, we'll start making the gravy. We'll switch on the gas, add oil. As the oil starts to heat up, first I'm going to add green cardamom. With that, 2 sticks of cinnamon, few cloves and curry leaves. And once they start spluttering, I'll add in ginger garlic paste and chopped onion. You need to cook the onion till they start changing their color. And once the color starts changing, you need to add red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and coriander powder. Lower the heat so that the masala doesn't get burned. At this stage, to avoid the masala getting burned, you need to add little water. The rawness of the masala is gone, which means you can add in chicken. I'm using chicken Julienne's, but you can also use chicken with bone. While the chicken is getting cooked, I'm going to lower the heat, add some water. Close it with the lid and let it cook for at least 10 to 12 minutes. By that time, I'll finish off with the curry leaves paste. Our curry leaf mixture has cooled down. Now we'll start putting it in the jar. And our curry leaf paste is now ready. You can see the color. Now I'll transfer it into a bowl. The chicken is almost done, as you can see. Now at this stage, I'll add in the curry paste which we made earlier and also coconut milk. The chicken is almost ready, but it's now time to season it. First, I'm going to add some salt, some black pepper, good amount of coriander. Now let's mix it up nicely. The chicken curry is ready. We'll start plating it. I'm going to garnish it with fresh coriander. And there you go guys, our curry leaf chicken curry is ready. You can enjoy it with nice hot phulka and steamed rice. And do try the recipe at home and do let me know how it turned out. This is Chef Prateek signing off. Take care and goodbye.